I'm going to be honest with you about something. 3 months ago, I was $60 a month deep into protein powder. Every single morning, right after my workout, like clockwork. And my muscles? Exactly the same as 6 months before. Not worse, not better. Just nothing. I started thinking maybe this is just what 60 looks like. That wall everyone hits and nobody really talks about. Then I found this recipe. Not on an app, not from some trainer. In the margin of an old bodybuilding manual from 1974. I picked it up at an estate sale. Paid $2 for it actually. 7 ingredients. No powder, no label, nothing to buy from a supplement company. Just actual food, put together in a specific order for a specific reason. I made it the next morning. Haven't stopped since. What happened over the next few weeks, that's what this video is. Not a transformation, no before and after photos. Just what actually changed and what the research says about each ingredient. Because I looked up every single one of them and put all the references are in the description if you want to check them yourself. I rebuilt this Titan cocktail from the ground up in my kitchen. I grabbed a cold carton of milk. Not skim. Whole milk. The men who built this recipe in the Venice Beach gyms did not reach for blue watery skim milk. They instinctively knew that heavy animal fat matters. I poured a large glass straight into the blender. Dietary fat is strictly mandatory for the bodily delivery of fat-soluble nutrients. Vitamins A, D, and K2 require heavy fat present in the digestive tract just across the intestinal wall into your blood. Use tap water or skim milk, and a massive percentage of the vital compounds from the other ingredients will simply pass right through your bowels completely unabsorbed. A total waste. I am so unbelievably tired of the persistent low-fat myth keeping older adults weak and frail. The clinical reality of whole milk is genuinely staggering. Tufts University Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging conducted a massive longitudinal cohort study on regular adults over 60. Their detailed findings, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, tracked daily dairy fat intake against long-term muscle mass preservation. Higher full-fat dairy consumption was independently strongly associated with much greater appendicular lean mass. That is the actual physical muscle in your arms and legs keeping you independent. This fact remained completely true even after researchers strictly controlled for total daily protein and calorie intake. The complex fat matrix found in whole milk contains odd-chain saturated fatty acids like pentadecanoic acid. This specific animal fat has a direct, profound anti-inflammatory effect on muscle tissue that skim milk simply cannot ever replicate. Now, I am part of the 40% of older adults who are genetically lactose intolerant. I used to falsely blame my chronic daily bloating and deep fatigue on getting old. I actually just lost the lactase enzyme, so I use lactose-free whole milk. It retains the exact identical fat, protein, and trace mineral profile we desperately need. Pouring almond milk into this blender will completely hollow out this cocktail nutritionally. Oat milk is essentially just expensive inflammatory sugar water. I needed that real dairy fat base perfectly prepped for the most controversial thing I was about to add. If this is landing for you so far, do me a quick favor and hit the like button right now and subscribe. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. I cracked 3 fresh raw eggs directly into that cold milk. Yes, raw eggs. This used to be standard daily practice in every serious gym across the country. Rocky Balboa chugging his morning glass made it a cinematic icon. He never stopped to explain why it actually worked. Most modern doctors today will scream about severe bacterial infections if you even mention doing this in your kitchen. They are right about the statistical risk but completely wrong to dismiss the powerful method. I bypassed the health risk entirely by purchasing pasteurized shell eggs. These look exactly identical to regular eggs but have been carefully heat-treated to eliminate salmonella without denaturing the delicate muscle-building proteins. I looked closely for the red P stamp on the shell. This single smart substitution gave me the massive anabolic profile of a raw egg with zero bacterial threat. Pure gain. The immense muscle-building power of eggs relies entirely on their unique leucine content and their natural biological food matrix. 3 whole eggs provide nearly 1.8 grams of pure leucine. This approaches the exact physiological threshold required to trigger mTOR-C1 mediated muscle protein synthesis in older adults. My aging body requires a much higher leucine dose than a 20-year-old to flip that critical anabolic switch. The yellow yolk is not optional. I never throw it away. It provides vital phosphatidylcholine and dietary fat that dramatically increase the rate of amino acid appearance in circulating blood. This slows gastric emptying to sustain the anabolic signal for hours instead of spiking it. The University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign Department of Kinesiology ran a flawless randomized controlled trial on this exact mechanism. Published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, they compared whole egg consumption directly to egg white consumption immediately after intense exercise. The whole eggs stimulated muscle protein synthesis 40% more effectively. The yolk is the absolute activation mechanism for everything I was trying to achieve. Once those eggs were floating in the milk, I reached for a jar I kept hidden in the back of my refrigerator. I measured out 2 tablespoons of raw, untoasted wheat germ. Polyunsaturated fats oxidize incredibly rapidly at normal room temperature. A forgotten jar of wheat germ sitting in a warm pantry cabinet turns rancid quickly and dumps highly inflammatory oxidized lipids straight into your body. Toxic load. Kept cold and sealed in my fridge, it stays perfectly fresh for months and costs mere pennies per serving. This is the living embryo of the wheat kernel that commercial flour processing aggressively strips away to extend shelf life. The National Strength and Conditioning Association Research Committee published a brilliant paper in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research that changed how I view the aging process entirely. They found that supplementing with a compound called octacosanol dramatically improved reaction time and neuromuscular coordination in older adults. They confidently attributed this profound effect to enhanced acetylcholine synthesis directly at the neuromuscular junction. Wheat germ is absolutely loaded with natural octacosanol. This long-chain fatty alcohol improves the speed and efficiency of nerve signal transmission to skeletal muscle. Age-related muscle loss is not just a simple protein problem. It is a severe neural degradation problem. The vital motor neurons that activate fast-twitch muscle fibers die off as we get older. I was left with physical muscle mass that existed, but my brain simply could not recruit it during heavy physical effort. Adding this octacosanol forced much faster motor unit recruitment in my own workouts. Suddenly, I could feel fibers firing that had been dormant for a decade. Wheat germ also delivers 2.5 milligrams of natural tocotrienol vitamin E per standard serving. The NIH Office of Dietary Supplements reviewed this specific vitamin E fraction extensively in Free Radical Biology and Medicine. They confirmed it significantly reduces exercise-induced oxidative damage to delicate muscle membranes. That is the microscopic inflammation causing the crippling stiffness I used to feel the day after working hard in the yard. I had fully optimized my brain to muscle connection. But dietary protein does not just magically become human muscle. I needed a biological engine to actually run the conversion. So I dropped in 1 full tablespoon of brewer's yeast. Do not confuse this with nutritional yeast or baker's yeast under any circumstances. Brewer's yeast is a dried whole food byproduct of the beer brewing process. It possesses the absolute densest natural concentration of B-complex vitamins available in any single human food. It carries B1, B2, B3, B6, B9, and B12 in their fully coenzyme-ready forms. Vitamin B6 is the direct biological key to the transamination process. Your body has to run this highly complex metabolic reaction to convert absorbed amino acids into living tissue. Without sufficient B6, that delicate reaction completely stalls. Your body just burns expensive dietary protein for energy or turns it into useless urine. I was genuinely shocked to learn that an estimated 20% of adults over 60 have a severe B12 deficiency due to rapidly declining intrinsic factor production in the gut. This silent deficiency causes a measurable massive reduction in satellite cell activity. Those are the specific microscopic muscle stem cells responsible for repairing torn tissue after you exercise. A clinical investigation from the NIH National Institute on Aging published in Nutrients confirmed this absolute tragedy. They proved that B vitamin insufficiency in older adults independently impairs muscle protein utilization even when the person eats plenty of high-quality meat. The researchers called this tragic state protein sufficient, but anabolically blocked. Brewer's yeast fixed this blockage permanently for me, while also providing trace chromium to massively enhance my insulin sensitivity at the muscle cell membrane. The natural flavor is intensely bitter and savory. I started with just half a tablespoon for the first week so my palate adapted slowly. A full dose on day one is why most people quit. But I needed this metabolic engine running smoothly before I added the ingredient that controls the speed of the entire digestion process. I scooped 1 heaped tablespoon of natural peanut butter and dropped it right into the vortex. You must use the natural variety where the only ingredient printed on the label is peanuts. Commercial peanut butters contain highly processed hydrogenated oils and toxic trans fat residues. Those artificial industrial fats directly compete with and neutralize the potent anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids we just built into this cocktail. I just stir the natural oil back into the jar and refrigerate it so it stops separating. Easy fix. A detailed clinical study from the Purdue University Department of Nutrition Science caught my attention last year and changed my daily routine entirely. Published in the Journal of Nutrition, it tracked postprandial blood lipid profiles and satiety markers in older adults consuming real peanuts. The researchers specifically noted the unique arginine to lysine ratio in peanuts as highly favorable for human vascular health. That vast circulatory infrastructure determines exactly how effectively every other nutrient in my blender reaches my dying muscle tissue. This ingredient serves a critical mechanical function. It aggressively slows the total gastric transit time. A standard liquid whey shake blasts right through your stomach and spikes your blood amino acid levels for about 90 minutes before crashing hard. The dense fat and fiber matrix in natural peanut butter converts this cocktail into a sustained release formula. It extended my critical anabolic window for hours. It entirely prevented the nasty insulin spike and crash pattern that leads to reactive hypoglycemia and abdominal fat storage. Peanut butter also delivers roughly 1.9 grams of arginine per 2 tablespoon serving. Arginine serves as the primary biological substrate for nitric oxide synthesis. This is the exact vasodilating mechanism that physically widens blood vessels to increase fresh blood flow to working muscle. I was building a powerful delivery system. Now I needed to force those circulating nutrients straight inside the muscle cells. I squeezed exactly 1 tablespoon of raw honey down into the mixture. I used to think adding a sweetener to any protein shake was a foolish way to ruin a healthy diet. I was completely wrong. The golden era bodybuilders who threw heavy honey into their blenders understood human metabolism far better than most modern clinical dietitians. Muscle protein synthesis absolutely requires a strong insulin signal to physically drive circulating amino acids across the thick muscle cell membrane. Raw honey provides that signal perfectly and cleanly. It delivers a natural glucose to fructose ratio of roughly 1:1, without the gut-destroying effects of processed refined sugar. But the word raw is strictly mandatory here. Pasteurized honey is just expensive, useless syrup. Raw honey retains its full natural complement of digestive enzymes like glucose oxidase alongside essential antimicrobial peptides. The University of Auckland Discipline of Nutrition looked at this closely in a clinical setting. Their researchers published a detailed study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, confirming that the polyphenol content in raw honey exerts massive measurable anti-inflammatory activity. Caffeic acid and camphorol are the specific polyphenols doing the heavy lifting. 1 single tablespoon daily strongly suppresses the exact NF-kappa B pathway that causes chronic musculoskeletal inflammation in aging adults. I take this concoction to prime my glycogen stores. Drinking this heavy cocktail within 30 minutes of physical activity means the glucose bypasses fat storage entirely. Pure fuel. Even a brisk 20-minute walk around my neighborhood opens the post-exercise GLUT4 translocation window. During this brief physiological period, my muscle cells dramatically upregulate glucose and amino acid uptake completely independent of insulin. The honey triggers a secondary insulin response that massively amplifies the rapid uptake of every other nutrient sitting in that blender. It coordinates the entire drink into a massive synchronized anabolic event. To make that biological event structurally sound, I reached for the final piece of the puzzle. I grabbed a frozen banana from a Ziploc bag in my freezer and snapped it in half before dropping it in. Peeling a banana and freezing it solid transforms the texture of this recipe from a watery mess into a thick, creamy shake I actually crave every single morning. It also does something invisible to the naked eye. A frozen, slightly underripe banana concentrates resistant starch to feed the exact gut microbiomes that suppress systemic inflammation in your joints. The physical act of lifting a heavy weight or walking up a steep hill requires a very specific electrical gradient across your muscle cell membranes. Potassium governs that exact membrane potential completely. You cannot contract and relax a muscle repeatedly without failure if your intracellular potassium drops. Severe potassium deficiency puts you in a hospital bed. Subclinical hypokalemia just makes you feel incredibly old and weak. I used to walk around constantly depleted because of age-related changes in renal potassium handling. A medium banana forces 422 milligrams of pure potassium directly into starving cells alongside 27 grams of usable carbohydrates. Researchers at the NIH National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute proved this reality in a massive study on adults over 65. They published their detailed findings in hypertension, showing that adequate potassium intake independently predicted much better skeletal muscle function scores. Low potassium actually emerged as a massive independent predictor of reduced grip strength and walking speed. Those are the two primary clinical markers of sarcopenia progression. I thought my grip was failing because I was just aging. It was actually just a correctable electrical failure. I hit the blend button and watched it all liquefy into a pale golden shake. Within 2 weeks of drinking this exact sequence daily, my muscular endurance doubled. My forearms felt thick and dense again. The chronic cramping in my calves vanished completely. I stopped excreting expensive chemical powders and finally gave my biology the raw material it recognized. Millions of years of human digestion cannot be outsmarted by a plastic tub of isolate. Drink the whole thing cold. Watch what happens to your own strength.